Hello, this is a quick video that will show you how to join a meeting using Zoom. Your instructor will share a Zoom meeting invitation or URL with you. Click on the invitation or copy and paste the URL in a web browser. The Zoom app can be used on your mobile device and Wi-Fi, but a wired internet connection on a desktop or lap computer is the most stable and interactive platform for full participation. Once the meeting page loads, you will be prompted to download and run Zoom Client. You only need to do this for your first Zoom meeting. In subsequent meetings, you will be prompted to open the Zoom software that has already been installed. Save the file to your computer and follow the setup instructions. Do this 10 to 15 minutes before your scheduled meeting. Once the client has installed, your meeting will launch. If the client does not run, click the link at the bottom of the page to run a lighter version of the meeting in your browser. You may enter a virtual queue if the presenter has not started the session. Once the meeting launches, you'll be asked to connect to the meeting audio. You can connect with your phone or join the conference with your computer audio. Test your microphone and speakers with the testing tool. You can mute and unmute yourself at any time by clicking the Mute/Unmute button at the left bottom of the control menu. Mute your mic when not speaking to avoid background noises. Turn off your camera by clicking the Start Video button next to the Mute/Unmute button. Click Stop Video to stop sharing. You can control what you see in the meeting. You can view everyone's camera in speaker view, which highlights the active speaker with a larger screen, or use gallery view, which highlights the speaker with a colored border. The full screen button maximizes the viewing space. Other tools in the control menu for students include the participants list and chat. The participant list shows who else is in the meeting and allows you to edit your screen name and raise your hand in a discussion. Use chat to type text-based comments to everyone in the meeting or to specific participants. Click Leave at any time to exit the meeting. And that's it. You can now join a meeting using Zoom.